helped me a lot. And even I remember that my time which I spent there, like I really like I have like many fond memories of the college and laboratories particularly. Even now when I see a rainbow, I always remember the prism experiment where we always find the refractive index. I was so bad at it, like try to get it, and also always this distance object method, right? And sometimes I had confusion that whether it's a telescope or a microscope. So many of the times I always used to be in like confusion. But still my classmates and my friends, they always help me. And even though like another one thing, like me and Mustafa both are last benches, we are the last benches. And there is always a thing that they always say, the last benches will always like be like they always come up in their life. I think like me and Mustafa are best example for that. And Abdul Kader sir always used to teach me, there are some people in the last bench who never concentrate in the class, and I don't know what they're going to do in their like life. So I always like I was very naughty. Like, I won't like listen properly and that. But still my friends and my other classmates, they always like help me to like learn. And during my 3 years, like after our school and when we enter my undergraduate degree, and it's also like co-education, we always have, like we always feel like kind of a sense of freedom. So we always kind of tend to like misuse also. But with the proper guidance of our teachers, like when you enter the department, it will be totally different. In the college, there would be like lots of rules and regulations. But when we enter the department classroom and laboratories, our teachers, they always like give us like more freedom. And because of that kind of freedom only, I think we like never misuse that freedom also. We always like try to utilize that freedom, whatever like they have given. And I'm always grateful for them like for giving us, because when they give us freedom, you always like have a kind of like free thinking and free thought. So even like the 3 years of my BSc, the graduate studies, like I try to think about my future also. Like in that 3 years, even though in the beginning I was like not interested in studying physics, but later on I try to like concentrate, and I want to like do well in my future studies. So that's what I even like thought of like switching over. But I always regret one thing, that when I was in Sadar College as a non-Muslim student, I didn't choose Arabic. In Sadar College, they have a very like world-class Arabic teachers. But I really missed that point. So even any non-Muslim students, if you are like want to learn a new language, or even like Arabic also can help you in future, like so you can like at least utilize that opportunity. Because now when I try to apply for Maulana Azad, they asked me that there should be like at least minimum language, like Arabic language understanding is, like it was like expected, but I couldn't do that one. So it's better like if you are like willing to learn, like you can learn. And then it is the time where you have like plenty of time and you can use it like effectively. So during my undergraduate degree, like I learned like typewriting, I learned Hindi, and I those things like it really helped me in future. Like I typed my whole thesis like nearly 300 pages myself. And then even now I used to like type it very fastly also. So it's better like you can do it. And again another one thing, like now it's also kind of very weird and very challenging for you, because you are all attending the online classes, and this COVID times, it's like very weird and very uncertain for everyone, right? So you better like try to like convert this challenge into an opportunity, right? So you have like plenty of time, so you can like utilize the online and then YouTube videos, and you can like try to like update your knowledge. That is one thing. And then this one and another one thing, when you are in undergraduate degree, we always like tend to like play a lot and like study less. But like let us like remember the physical balance, and then try to like balance our studies and our the fun and enjoyment part. Like if we like equally balance both of that, then it would be like really helpful for you in the future, so that you can have like good memories of your college, and then you also have a better life future also. So that is one thing. And then like even the language which I studied, like for example Tamil and English, actually I in when we are in first year and second year, no, we used to study the language like English and Tamil. And I still remember like my English teacher, Professor Abdul Qadir, who was really so good, and he always like tried to give us more opportunities to speak out and to express ourselves. And because of him, one day I got interested in like communication, and then later on I joined that. But when he came for his PhD Viva to university, I met him and he was so happy. So like those teachers and Mahadevan sir, they all like Tamil teacher. So they all like always like try to motivate you. So you try to utilize the thing. And our college, like has the wonderful laboratory and also like wonderful teachers. So Abdul Qadir sir, I still remember like he was like so young, even now he's young, right? But I still very young Abdul Qadir sir. So he always like used to like motivate us to concentrate on many things. And another one thing, if you have this one, like we have this NCC and NSS in our college also, you try to choose anyone, because when you are like going for any job, there is like extra 5 or 10 marks for NCC and NSS. Okay, so try to choose that one also. And then I think we have also this, if you are like interested in like dancing and singing and other things, then for that also we have the cultural group is also there under I think Professor Mahadevan. So you can like join those things, right? So that is one thing. And then like as he said that when I visited Cornell University, I first like saw that quote that was somewhere something incredible is waiting for you. It is our duty to explore those things. And another one thing, like this world is seriously in need of like scientists and scientific temper. Only the science and scientists can make our world better, and they can also save this world. Even now, you can see that how COVID times we are all like focusing again on science and everything, right? Because last few years, all the countries, particularly, like they started like paying less attention to the science and like less funding to the science base, because of that only now we are all suffering. So it's always like better we have to like focus more on scientific temper. And like when you are with like scientific temper, then you might face like lot of problems. Like you all know about Galileo, right? So Galileo, when before 400 years, when he was like coming up with his theory, this heliocentrism, that is the sun is the center of everything and earth is like revolving. Then that time the Catholic Church was totally against Galileo, and they even resent him. And after 200 years only, they even like tendered public apology. So there is always a kind of in our country particularly, we are in a serious need of like scientific temper. If and only there is scientific temper and scientific, like scientists are being like respected, then we can have a better world, right? So even our Indian Constitution, even talking about the directive principles under Article 15(1) that we should develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. So all the people, like whatever like it's there, like we should always like try to even though I don't know like how many of you will end up as physics person, or like how many of you are like going to like choose a different stream. But still what I feel like whatever stream you go, that science is the one it's going to like conquer us. And if we believe in science, then we may not be like carried over by the hate or violence or anything else. Okay, so even for to be a better human, you have to be a better one, like believing in science, right? So we should always like question whatever it says. So that's my humble suggestion. Because even though I don't believe in God, but I believe in like what Stephen Hawking says, right? So even Stephen Hawking believe in galaxy and universe, and we are all part of that universe, right? So even after we die, we all will be like part of that galaxy only. So that's what like I want to like tell you. So better like try to utilize this time, because I know we are like very young, we may not have a proper inspiration at our family or in our but you have always a better inspiration that your teachers are there. You should always like go to them, and then you can always like talk to them. And I think like all my teachers when I was in the college, like they are easy to approach, right? So even though like we used to get scoldings, but still you should always like approach them, because they are the right person. They can like guide you properly. So you should be like free enough to like contact any teacher. So that is one thing. And also like not only studies, also try to like learn other things like the extracurricular activities, because that is also going to help you. So utilize that time. Like 3 years is there. It's not that you will be like all the time like learning physics or this one, right? But there is also another other free time is there. So try to like learn new languages and try to like like learn and new skills like computer skills or like whatever. So even you should also develop that like your one pastime also, right? A hobby. So that is also there. And another one thing I just want to say that and for the people like who are like, for example, for even Muslim students also, non-Muslim students also, it is a very multicultural college, right? So even my experience there of like studying with different culture people, so even now it's helped me like how to like work in how to adapt myself in a multicultural or a different cultural setup. So many of you will hopefully will be like going out and working in like multinational company. You will go out and work in in Middle East. Even you may think that in Middle East only Muslims are there. No, all the sort of people from different countries and different languages and different cultural centers will be there. So you try to be like open and try to learn a lot and try to utilize the time. And books reading, you have to like read a lot. It's not only your subject books, but you also like try to learn a lot. For example, you can like read books about like Stephen Hawking, or you can read about Elon Musk, the one, the entrepreneur, how he's like ruling like US space thing. So you have to like read a lot. And then I still remember when I was in my undergraduate degree, because of my English teacher Abdul Qadir sir, I first subscribed a Hindu newspaper, and like in my whole village, I'm the only one to subscribe that paper. And but that helped me a lot in like current affairs and everything. So even there might be some people who wants to like go for like civil service and all. So like try to like read a lot and try to observe a lot and watch a lot and try to utilize the time. And also like try to make more friends. Like my friends which I made during my undergraduate degree, they are still in contact. We have a WhatsApp group. And even when I was like traveling to Dubai, like I called up my classmate from Southern, and he only helped me to like take the visa, and he arranged my stay there, everything. So we always have our friends, like we can always call them up, and we always feel very young also. So these friends are going to like come with you forever. So maybe like this one semester you cannot meet your classmates and friends, but hopefully by next semester this world will be like COVID free, and you can like spend more time with the teachers. Like even meeting the teachers online, it's very like weird, right? But if you have a very like, I still remember like how we used to like like enjoy the laboratories, canteen, and everywhere. I have like lots of memories. So try to make like more memories, very wonderful memories, not the teacher memories, right? So try to concentrate on your studies. I think I have like spoken a lot. Thank you so much, sir. I think.
Thank you, Dr. Ratnamala, for sharing your so many views. And the key points are: utilize the freedom given to you. Students, please understand. Utilize the freedom given to you. Okay, learn many things like typewriting, Hindi, okay, computers, and other studies. And involve yourself in extracurricular activities like NCC, NSS, and other things. Have the book reading and try to live in the multicultural experiences. Then